Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Paraguay. Paraguay. Paraguay is a landlocked country between Argentina, Brazil and Bolivia, home to large swaths of swampland, subtropical forest and Chaco, wilderness comprising savanna and the scrubland. The capital Asunción, on the banks of Paraguay River, is home to the Grand Government Palace and the Museo del Barro, displaying pre-Columbian ceramics and non-duty lacework, the latter available in many shops. The capital city of Paraguay is Asuncion, and dialing code is plus 595. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Paraguay, in their mobile number they should start with plus 595 and then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the population of Paraguay is 72 lakhs approximate, and the continent is South America, and official languages are Paraguayan, Guarani and Spanish. And next point is Paraguay English speaking country? The Republic of Paraguay is mostly bilingual country, as the majority of the population uses Spanish and Guarani. The Constitution of Paraguay of 1919 declares it as a multicultural and bilingual country, establishing Spanish and Guarani as official languages. And the next point is Paraguay good for tourists? A true wonder, tucked away from the shutterbugs of the world, Paraguay is really a destination worth visiting. From nature's beauty to scenic places, and more importantly, so much of the hidden places make it a world within a world. And next point is, what is Paraguay famous for? The most famous of the famous are the heart of South America, the land of water, and the island surrounded by mainland, and the largest navy. Although Paraguay only has land borders, it has a large navy. Of all the countries in the world without access to the sea, Paraguay has even the largest naval power. And the next point is Paraguay a good place to live? Yes, Paraguay is a great place to live for anyone wishing to discover new unspoiled land. You will find the people of Paraguay to be warm and welcoming, always willing to invite guests to their homes, or to explain and demonstrate the culture of Paraguay. And the next point is, what percent of Paraguay is white? 20%. Ethnically, culturally and socially, Paraguay has one of the most homogeneous population in South America. About 75% of people are mestizo, that is mixed Spanish and Guarani, Native American descent, and 20% of whites, and the rest are small minorities of indigenous or Afro-Paraguayan origin. And next point is Paraguay religious? The VMW estimates 88% of the population is Roman Catholic and 6% Evangelical Protestant, and the Association of Evangelical Ministers of Paraguay estimates that 10% of the population is Evangelical Protestant. And next point is, what is the climate like in Paraguay? Paraguay's climate overall is characterized by high humidity and warm temperatures year round, with hot and rainy summers and mild winters, and with significant temperature variability that can bring both forests to practically the entire national territory, as well as heat waves. How long? Next point is, how long can I stay in Paraguay? Entry, exit and visa requirements. Private US citizens don't need a visa for stays of up to 90 days of tourism, 90 days for tourism or business. And some minor children need a special notarized authorization from Paraguayan authorities to enter and exit the country when not accompanied by both legal parents, guardians. And next point is, can US citizens move to Paraguay? If you want to immigrate to Paraguay, you may apply for a permanent residence permit. You must make a deposit of an amount of equivalent to 35 million minimum monthly wages, which is currently a total of PYG 24,550, 24 lakh 554,600. That is US dollar. That is PYJ. That is Paraguayan dollars. Paraguayan that is currency, PYG. And next point is, what race is Paraguay? Ethnically, culturally and socially, Paraguay has one of the most homogeneous populations in South America. About 95% of the people are people of mixed Spanish and Guarani, Indian descent. Little race is left of the original Guarani culture, except the language which is spoken by 90% of the population. And next point is, what sport is Paraguay known for? Paraguayans are fond of sports. While football is the most popular sport, fishing, tennis, basketball and golf are also common. And next point is, what is the best month to visit Paraguay? The best time to visit Paraguay is between March and November, when the weather is consistently warm with the temperatures of 73 degrees to 84 degrees F daily. Travel to Paraguay is possible year round. But keep in mind that there are only two main seasons, hot and extremely hot. And next point is, can foreigners buy land in Paraguay? Can a foreigner buy property in Paraguay? Yes, there are no laws in Paraguay stipulating which can and who can't buy property here. In fact, residency is not even recognized for the purchase of land and property. Next point is, what is the main export of Paraguay? Soya beans. The top exports of Paraguay are soya beans, electricity, soya bean meal, frozen bovine meat, and bovine meat, exporting mostly to Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Russia, and United States. And the next point is, what produces does Paraguay produce? What products does Paraguay produce? Paraguay's 10 most valuable exported products are soya beans, electrical energy, fresh or chilled beef, frozen beef, solid residues including soya bean oil cake, corn, rice, insulated wire or cable, and oil seeds. And next point is, what fruits grow in Paraguay? Fruits include apples, bananas, citrus fruits, grapes, guavas, mangoes, melons, peaches, papayas, pears, and pineapples and plums. Yerba tea, made with the leaves of the yerba plant, is the traditional drink. Coffee is grown. The local alcoholic drink is made from sugarcane. This is the information regarding Paraguay country. That is Paraguay, Paraguay. And this video, why I did this video is, those who are interested to go to Paraguay for educational purpose or business purpose or traveling purpose, they should know the fundamentals. For that purpose, I did this video. Wishing you all the best.